a brand new day. So I'm not just videoing for a long time. So we're playing Core Garden 2. So it's there update or not? Because I wanted to see the update. Please help. And it is just 10 minutes because I'm videoing 2 right now. So I don't know if I'm going to just oh no, just come on bro, please bro. Why it is so laggy? Okay. Oh please. It's just 1 minute and it 1 minute. Wow. I'll gonna be waiting a while. So see ya. Oi. July 4th. Bro, that animation is so good, bro. Bro, that animation is so good. So, oh no. Wait, I will restore the lag. Okay, daily deal. What is daily deal? Daily deal. It is let me. Ooh, what is that? Yoo-hoo! I don't know what is that, but it's okay. So, oh no, it is so laggy. See you in a while. There is 11 stack of bamboo. The strategy, bamboo. Oh, green bean. More mushroom. Oh, limited. Did I see a limited? Come on, limited. What is the limited? Limited. 6 days rocket pop. I need the apple. Just one apple, okay. Wait. Okay, let's plant apple. This is a quick video because it's raining right now. And I think there's a thunderstorm. So, I'm scared ka. Okay, sorry. So, this... Oh, wait. Boombox? What is this? Oh, yeah. If the raccoon spawn in, I have just 3,000 in. I will direct. Sorry. So what is on notification? So I don't know what So that's it. Bye. Sorry, it is not 10 minutes, but I need wait. And I'll just harvest first. So we can. So now this 10 minutes. Because if this is not 10 minutes, I will not play Roblox in 6 months. 6 months. Wait, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So that's 10 months. Because, come on, we have school. And I'm just like 9 years old. I don't know. Yeah, I'm 9 years old. And come on, bro. Just grab your knee. Oh, wait. Okay. Don't mind me. Don't mind what I said. Right. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Oh. Oh, wait. Let me get your payment. Bam. 18,000. So, if this goes tonight, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh no. Just common sprinkler. Wait, and common sprinkler. Bye guys. Bye. It's night time. You didn't know that nighttime is way to steal some fruits. So bye guys.